Hi guys, I am back with the same wig from Allove hair. I know you guys remember this wig from a couple of videos back. Actually, I filmed with this hair like a month or two. It's almost been 2 months. It's going on 2 months. It was definitely back in August that I've had this hair, but I think the video went up a little bit late. So I've actually been wearing this wig on and off since August, and it's still great. But since it's fall time, I want to go ahead and I don't know. We want to spruce it up here in October. We want to make it a little bit more fall oriented. So we're gonna bring in some more browns and cooler tones and things like that. We're gonna get rid of the punchy summer colors. So the first thing I want to do is just to lift the color that I put in here out as much as possible. So to do that, we're going to use a mixture. My famous mixture that you guys already know that I always use is my bleach bath mixture, but I put in some clarifying shampoo and some conditioner. So it's just a 20 volume developer with quick blue bleach, clarifying shampoo, and conditioner of your choice. And I'm going to actually switch this wig head over to my covered one so that I don't get too much bleach on my dummy. Guys, so basically it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to go through and apply bleach. Usually what I would do is apply bleach to the darkest parts first, but since everything is pretty much a light color and we're going to be putting a darker color over it, I don't really need like a plan of attack for this. I'm just going to go ahead, apply the bleach, comb it through, let it sit until I see the colors lightened up enough for me, and then we'll rinse it out and come back. So this bleach has been in for about 30 minutes. Sound like I said hasn't. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out, and we will see what we're working with as far as how much lightening we did and if we're good to go. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so here is the finished look of the bleached hair. You can still see a hint of yellow there, and in some places you have like tinges of pink, just where I didn't let the dye sit long enough, but this is it blown out. The hair is still very soft. It doesn't have that gummy texture. It's not damaged. Well, I mean, clearly it's damaged. It's 613 hair and I bleached it. But it's not damaged to the point of not being able to style it. It's very wearable, still very soft, still has movement, doesn't have that crunchiness to it. So already, Allove hair has my vote, because if you can give me 613 hair and I can dye it and then wear it for 2 months and then bleach it and then recolor it, I'm already a fan. So basically I thought of toning it to try to do something about this yellow, and then I originally was going to do a two-tone brown. So I was going to do a brown ombre, and you know what, I still might do that, but I'm going to do a reverse at another time. I just think it would be a little too boring to have taken all of that fun color out and then just put in some browns for fall. So instead, we're going to do a concoction, a mixture of hair dye. So on the table, I have a bunch of old hair dye that needs to be used. It's just a bunch of half bottles of stuff, and we're just going to do watercolor method just to keep this as easy and simple as possible. I mean, you've already bleached hair. I know you're tired and you just want to get over it. So we're just going to throw some same colored family dyes in a mix and hope for the best. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to our little Frankenstein experiment here. Alright guys, so in this bowl I have some pretty hot water. It's not boiling, but it's hot enough that you see the steam. I'm going to put Adora's Crimson in. It's not a ton of this left, so I'm just going to. Then we're going to use Adora's Raspberry Twist. Again, not a ton in there. Then Adora Spicy Fuchsia. There's a little bit more of this. Oh, because there's already water in it. Then the magenta. I'm going for a burgundy-ish color for this wig. Not quite red, not quite purple. Somewhere in the middle. I think I'm going to go with the crimson from Kiss. And a little bit of the red storm from Kiss as well. Maybe about a third of a bottle. This was a brand new bottle. And then I'm going to go with a third of the bottle of the Vivid Violet. And this will add that purple. Ooh, making a mess. Okay, so I'm just going to leave the hair in this bowl for about 10-20 minutes for no other reason that I just wanted to kind of really saturate and sit. It's not really necessary, but sometimes I have these, I'm really particular about stuff, so I just want to make sure everything is good to go. So I'm just going to let this hair sit and rock with it for about 20 minutes, and then we'll come back with it rinsed out and maybe even blow dry depending on how I'm feeling, and we'll see what the color looks like. So this is the color. The hair is semi-blow dried, still a little bit damp, but not too damp. And I'm going to throw some curls in it and pop her on so we can see the finished product. I'm actually really happy with how the watercolor came out. Not too blotchy, very even, very pretty. It's similar to a color I did not too long ago, but I think this one has a bit more of the purplish tint that I was going for the first time. So it's not too red, it's very like burgundy magenta-y, and I like it a lot. So we're going to go ahead and style it and come back with the outro as per my usual routine. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I am so impressed by Allove hair. I know I don't often come and do like a revamp of a wig I've previously done. I pretty much keep them how I did them the first time, but I think I just really knew this hair was good, and I didn't want to go to waste, I guess. It was pre-rooted, it was so easy. I could have chose any color I wanted, so I did a summery color, and it was closer to like the end of summer, and now it's fall, and I just wanted to wear this hair again, and I kind of didn't want peachy tones in my hair, so we went with this nice burgundy color, which I think complements my skin perfectly. All in all, I don't think I had bad things to say about the hair beforehand, and I don't have bad things to say about it now. When I first did this hair, I did clip the ends. I didn't do anything to it this time but style it after, you know, doing the dip dye. So yeah, it was basically the easiest hair I've worked with for restyling. It's not dry, it's not brittle. As you guys can see, it has plenty of body. It's really soft and it's just so full. So I definitely will have all the specs of this hair down below, and if you're looking for 613 bundles, these get my seal of approval. Any 613 bundles I can bleach again, well, because I guess they process them beforehand, but any 613 bundles I can then bleach, remove the color, and replace a new color, and it still be like it was when I first got out the package. Is life. I'm just so freaking impressed by how just big and soft this hair is. So I'm not getting any shedding, I'm not getting any tangles, any of that. I'm not having to worry about any of those things. Again, this is just a closure, so I don't have the whole frontal tack down. It's literally just a closure, and it's just from here to here, so like eyebrow to eyebrow. So it was easy to put on. Closures are just way easy to deal with in my opinion, but you know, you like frontals for the realism or whatever. Yeah, this is the close of this video. It's probably gonna end up being a short one knowing my editing style, but it was pretty straightforward. I didn't have any problems, any issues. Sorry, that's my upstairs alarm telling me to crank this up out the room. I didn't have any issues. I bleached the hair, I dyed the hair, I styled the hair. We didn't run into any problems. So this is definitely probably one of my easiest videos. I hope that you guys did enjoy it, and I hope you guys have a happy Halloween. I'm going on vacation very soon, so I'm excited about that. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or if you ordered Allove hair previously or from my review from my other video, please let me know how you like it down below, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. I love you guys so much. Mwah.